When you fly into somebody else's arms, little bird.
Before Jonas Brothers released the album in May, Nick Jonas told Variety that Little Bird was in the running to his favorite song on the album, saying it's a song about parenthood that will affect people in different ways. Well, they found out Saturday night at their tour stop in Toronto that it affected one fan in a way you'd hope it never would.
Well, I was singing earlier and I got choked up because I read this song. What's your name? Magda. Where are you from, Magda? Mexico. What is your little bird's name?
Valentina.
Valentina.
Valentina. Mariana Valentina.
Can I give you a hug?
I don't know if you noticed, but the daughter's name hit Kevin hard.
Valentina.
Valentina.
Valentina. Mariana Valentina.
Guess what Kevin's 6-year-old daughter's name is? Yep, and that's not all.
What is your favorite song from the new album? Why? Think it's about you?
This one's for Valentina, okay? She's here with us tonight for sure, okay? We love you.
Kevin didn't have to sing lead vocals on the song. Nick started it off, and you can hear a little quiver breaking in his voice. Afterwards, Joe Instagrammed a shot from the moment using some of the song's lyrics that Nick sings for the caption. When it came to Joe's part of singing Little Bird, he sounded amazing. But he had a little crack in his voice as well, which is understandable. And you can see Kevin wiping away tears. An extremely powerful moment. And yeah, the connections for Kevin, I'm sure, were very intense.
Valentina. Mariana Valentina.
Can I give you a hug?
The feeling that an artist has, it's such a conflicting feeling it must be to, obviously you want your music to resonate with people and connect with people, but I'm sure hearing that circumstance of people connecting to your song is hard to reconcile. But yeah, I mean, we all go through hard times and music gets us through those hard times. But what'd you think of Jonas Brothers' emotional dedication of Little Bird to Valentina in Toronto?
This one's for Valentina, okay? She's here with us tonight for sure, okay?